make chicken pepper soup. I want to toast. I think this is coriander seed and this is ehuru. Coriander and ehuru. Then I'm going to pound it. I started pouring the chicken, but this is the remaining chicken. I just try to cut it into thin slices. Yep, yep, yep. So I'm pounding my coriander and my ehuru. So just to make it very aromatic. Oh, add flour to this so that it's a bit thick. Right now, just let everything simmer, come together, add flour. And here is my chicken soup. This is the consistency I wanted. A bit thick, not watery as such. Yeah. So lately, I've been thinking about life and just how volatile it is. We come into it without a manual, no clear instructions, no guaranteed map. We are just told we're each running our own race. That success looks different for everyone, and yet somehow there's still a social standard for what success is supposed to look like. So recently, I watched someone's life unravel, and as usual, when things fall apart, you can trace it back to a moment, a defining moment where a door appeared, an action asked to be taken, and it wasn't. That missed moment changed everything. That fear always stays with me. You see, the fear of of not taking the right step when it matters. Maybe that's why I move slowly, I think deeply, I ruminate, I consult. Even when I decide on what decision to take, I let that decision sit with me before I act. Because, see, this life is volatile and not everything demands immediate action. Some things need time, some choices need space to breathe, and some clarity only comes when you allow stillness. Moving slowly isn't always hesitation, sometimes it's respect for the weight of a moment.